Hi, today we're going to learn how to use VPN to stay secure and private online. Wow, this is a tough job. Just kidding. When you use NordVPN, all it takes is just a single click. See for yourself. Click, and you're browsing securely on public Wi-Fi. Click, your ISP can't see what you do online. Click, and you're in a different country. Well, virtually. Any device you have there, NordVPN has you covered. Everything else is just details. But if you care to know more, NordVPN has more than 5,000 servers all over the world. It protects your sensitive data with advanced encryption, shields you from malware and phishing sites, and keeps no logs of your online activity.
Click link in the description and get 68% discount for your first order. Getting onto the roller coaster. Practice self-calming techniques. Breathe slowly and deeply and try to think positively. Once you have done this, it will all be worth it. Tell yourself things that confirm the fun and safety of using the roller coaster. For example, go with someone you trust. This can help a lot to keep you calm and to have reassuring feedback from a person who is used to the roller coaster or is able to deal with fears better. Be careful not to choose someone as afraid as you. This can turn into a situation where you feed off each other's fear and make things seem a whole lot worse, 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 lot worse. Coping when you're on the roller coaster, 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 roller. Double check your harness, bar, or other restraint. Listen for the click or other sound it makes when it's shut. Several of the newer roller coasters don't have clicking restraints. This means you can have the restraint closer to your lap so you don't move as much. These restraints are still perfectly safe and they won't unlock during the ride. Aim to breathe deeply. This can help you to keep calm and can reduce the possibility of vomiting. Count under your breath if it helps you to keep your breathing steady. Listen for the music. There is often music accompanying the ride. This may help to calm you if you concentrate on listening to the words or tune. Scream. That's what the ride's all about anyway. When you scream going down from high drops, it helps to expel the air and helps you to breathe as well as releasing stress to help you have fun and talk to your buddies. Talking is a good way to distract yourself during the ride. However, if it's hard to hear, you might end up yelling rather than talking, so be considerate of other people. The best time to talk is on the lift hill. This is the part where you have to wait to drop. Stay at the front. This can help you to feel less scared. It's not ideal to sit here if you're looking for more thrills, though. However, if you aim to not see the biggest field of view, the cart behind will allow for that. Praise yourself at the end. You did it. And you know you can do it again. Overcoming fear is a constant challenge in life, and it's a great thing that you're practicing this lifelong skill.